Now today I have given a different type of sum. That is, the A is given, matrix A is given, and show that A square minus 5A plus 7I is equal to 0. What is I? I is the unit matrix of order 2. Okay, square unit matrix of order 2. Then find A inverse. So there are two parts of the question. Okay, first part is that A square, left hand side of this is A square minus 5A plus 7A is equal to A square. I can write A into A, 5A plus 7I. So A into A means this is the matrix 3, 1, minus 1, 2, again 3, 1, minus 1, 2. That means I'll multiply these two matrices. Okay, minus 5 into 3, 1, minus 1, 2. That is, each and every element, if the matrix is multiplied with an element, with the number, each and every element of the matrix will be multiplied. Okay. Similarly, 7, I is 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. That is a unit matrix of order 2. Then I multiply this row into this column. See, look here, 9 minus 1. Okay. And then this row into this column, then 3 plus 2, yes. Next is that this row, this second row into the first column, I get this minus 3 minus 2, okay. Second row into the second column is that minus 1, 2 2s are 4. Now I multiply each 5A means multiply each element with 5. That is 15, 5, minus 5, 10. Okay, and 7 is the 7 into iota, I is 7, 0, 0, 7. Okay, 0, 7. So when I simplify, I get 8, 5 minus 5, 3, and this always we have simplified. Then that means this minus this plus of this. So I have each element, that is 8 minus 15 plus of 7, how much it is? 0. Okay. Then 5 minus 5 and 0, 0. Okay. And then minus 5 and minus into minus plus 5 into 0. Plus of 0 is 0. Okay. This is 0. 8 minus 15 plus of 7, that is how much? It is 0. 5 minus 5 plus of 0 is how much? 0. Then minus 5 plus 5 and 0 is 0. 3 minus 10 plus of 7, that means 3 and 7 is 10, 10 minus 10 is 0, which is the right hand side. Implies A square minus 5A plus of 7I is equal to 0. Proved. Okay. So next part will be A inverse. We will be doing now. What is that? to find A inverse. A inverse, that is A square minus 5A plus 7, 1 is equal to 0. From this, we have to find A inverse. Okay. So multiplying both sides with the matrix A inverse, we get A inverse A square minus 5A inverse A plus 7 A inverse I is equal to 0. Okay. Then A inverse A is what? I. Unit matrix. A inverse A is unit matrix. This is unit matrix. And IA is A only. And I into A inverse is A inverse. Okay. So, I have written here IA minus 5I plus of 7 A inverse. 7A inverse. I already multiply done, we get the same A inverse. So, it is 7A inverse is equal to, I take the rest of the thing in that other side, that is minus A, this is A only, IA is A, minus A plus of 5I, minus A is, this is 3, 1, minus 1, 2, and plus of 5, and I is 2 unit matrix of order 2 square unit matrix. Okay, 2 into 2, that is 5, 1, 0, 0, 1. That is A inverse is equal to 1 by 7, this 7 will come here. Okay, and then minus into 3, minus 3, minus into 1, minus 1, and minus into minus 1 is plus 1, and minus into 2 is minus 2, and plus of 5, 5 ones are 5, 0, 0, 5. Okay, so I simplify and I get, that is minus 3 plus 5 is 2, minus 1 and 0 is minus 1 only, adding. Okay, then 1 and 0 is 1, and minus 2 into 3 is 2 into 3 is minus 2 into 5 is 3. Okay, now you will ask me that why didn't you do it at the beginning? Because they wanted me to do this, then we do this. But if they directly give you the question that if this is A square minus 5A plus 7E is equal to 0, then find A inverse, then directly you will do it from here. You don't have to prove that, because already they have told you it is already yes. Okay. Now a sum I'll give you to do it yourself. I know you will say that easy one you have done, the difficult one, it is not difficult, the lengthier one you are giving to us. But this is for your practice. I have given for matrix A, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 3, show that A cube minus 6x A square plus 5A plus 11I is equal to 0. Then hence find A inverse. So first I have to do this part, that is first part is this, first answer. This is the solution, I will give you the hint, that is first part is A cube LHS is equal to A cube minus 6A square plus 5A plus of 11I, 5A plus of 11I is equal to 0. So what can you is equal to 0? I have to prove I'll not write here. So this will be the right hand side. What will you do here? You will do a into a into a cube minus 6a into a plus of 5 into a plus of 11 into I. I is the unit matrix of order 3. I is the unit matrix of order 3. So this is the multiplication, that first you multiply these two, then you multiply these two. Multiplication you have to be little thorough. And here also 6a square, a into a plus 5a. This is here. This plus 11i. You have to. This I am giving you hint. Okay. And the second part also, I'll give you the hint. That is, I'm multiplying both the sides by A inverse. Multiplying, hint is that, multiply both side by A inverse. Already they have given you this. Already you have proved it is equal to 0. Both sides. Then it is A inverse A cube plus minus 6 A inverse A square plus 5 A inverse A and plus 11 A inverse I. Then you start solving this. Okay, is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Okay, second part. This I have given you hint. Please practice. Otherwise, multiplication of this you going to make lot of mistakes.